Hey YouTube, what's up? So today is the day. It's been about 3 months I've been wanting to chop this girl down. She smells amazing. So this is the blueberry photo period that a lot of you have been following this grow. So you're probably almost as excited as I am. Probably not quite so much, but anyway, I wish you could really smell this. She's amazing. Let's take a closer look at her, should we? Alright, so here we go. This is her. Let's take a look at some of her nugs here. So she is frosty. She looks good. Can you smell it? Here. Let's try to get a little closer here, see if you can smell that. Yeah. She smells really good. So let's look at some of these tops here. Like, the color is amazing. I have this little, I call it Metzi. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but just a cheap LED on there right now just for lighting. But she is amazing. The color is, it's so purple it's almost black. Here's a good one here. Look at that. Amazing. So let's actually, here, just a second. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to turn off the, that's the red spectrum, the flower spectrum. And we're turn that off and it really brings out the colors really well. Look at that. Amazing. Alright, well, what we're going to do today is we're not going to take it all down at once. We're going to take it down in sections. So basically I've checked the trichomes. They're about 10% right now amber. The rest are cloudy. So what I want to do, but once you get down the bud there a ways, I'm losing a little bit of the amber. It's not quite where I want it down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take off the top. I'm just going to do a first harvest here, and then I'm going to leave the rest for about a week. So yeah, so basically we'll just get started here. I'll put you on the tripod and we will start chopping. Alright guys. Alright, so that's it. We got our first harvest done. This is what's left. There's still quite a bit there. Just going to give them another week or so to finish up. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the training that I did to this girl. For anybody that hasn't seen this, hasn't followed it, she's in a 5-gallon fabric pot. You can see that the trunk there. I laid her right down on her side when she was really young, and then let her grow up. And then I just basically LSD, pulled her all down. I like to use these pipe cleaners from the local dollar store. They're cheap and they don't cut into the stalk, so they work really well. And then to get them into the pot, I just use my trimmers and I just poke a hole through and then feed the pipe cleaner through. So works really good. I also put in usually a few bamboo sticks there, so gives you something to tie to. If they start to lean over, you just tie them to that. So I have 3 in here all together. So anyway, so that's what's left of her. Let's take a look at what we harvested from her. Oops. So there she is. It's actually quite a bit there, more than I thought, because they're so dense that they got a lot heavier within the last couple of weeks. So let's take a look at them as a little closer. Yeah, the smell is, you guessed it, amazing. So let's check out the other side here. Nice. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off the leaves and put them in the closet. A little bit of air movement and let them dry out so they can cure. Alright, and I'll take this girl and I'll throw her back in the tent, give her a week, and then after that I also left on some little bit of growth down on the bottom too, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to re-veg her, because she turned out really good. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll post a picture up here after the video of what they look like once I get the leaves pulled off, the fan leaves. And we'll see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy growing, guys.